Okay, it's your turn to have a go now. Suppose you're given this circle here. The diameter of this circle is 8 centimeters. Work out the area of this circle. Okay, so press. So remember the diameter is the distance across here, and the formula that we're used to, a equals pi r squared. Here r is the radius, but I've given you the diameter. So somehow work out the area of this thing. So be careful. I've given you the diameter. Okay, press pause and have a go. Okay, so here, so to work out the area of this circle here, write down the formula first. A equals pi r squared, and and here, because the diameter is 8, the radius must be 4. Okay, because the radius is half of the diameter. So in order for you to work out the area of this circle here, you've got to use r, because the formula relates to r. Look, you can see the radius. This formula only works if you put the radius into the r. So this goes into here. Okay, so a equals pi. 4 squared is 4 times 4, which is 16. So it's like pi times 16, but we prefer the number in front. So let's switch the 16 and the pi around. So the area is 16 pi. So if you want to know what the decimal value of it, then you would get 16 times pi on the calculator. Okay, so how about this one here? The radius is r, so rather than me giving you a number, let's just leave it as r. How do you work out the area of this thing here? How do you work out the area of this thing? Press pause and have a go. Okay, the trick here is well, we've got a formula. A equals pi r squared. It's saying that if we plug in if we give the radius of a circle, we can work out the area of the whole circle. Okay, so by using this thing here, we just need to put r into here, and it will give us this whole circle here. So to work out the area of the purple parts here, plug the r into here. So it will give us a whole circle. It will give us a whole circle. Now, because we only want half of a circle, what we do is let's say area of P for the purple part. So area of the purple part will be, well, work out the area of the whole circle, which is pi r squared. Now that we've got the whole circle, let's split it in half. So cut it in half. So divided by 2. Remember, dividing something by 2 means you split it into 2 equal parts, and then only take one part. So that's what the purple is. So the purple area is. So if you have a circle here, if you divide it by 2, it means you split this circle up into 2 equal parts. So this part is the same as this part. Now only keep one part. Okay, so that will give us the area of the purple area. So here, the area for the purple bit is pi r squared over 2. That's a formula for it. Okay, because I've kept the r here, so it's saying that the value of this thing is r. So let's if I change it to x, so that I'm saying that, oh, this distance here is x, then the area of the purple part will be a p equals pi x squared over 2. Okay, because but basically just leave it as r for the time being. If we could use x, we could use y, but I've just chosen r as at random. Okay, so now here's another one for you. So now I only want to know this part of the circle here. So press pause and have a go. Okay, the trick here, work out the area of the whole circle, and then divide into 4 equal parts and just take one part. So let's see, area of P. for area of the purple part. So this bit I just made up. You could say, I don't know, uh, a I don't know, put a hat on it or something equals. But I've just made this bit up. You can use your own symbol, but don't use A, because A we've already agreed that A stands for the whole area of a circle. So you need a different symbol. So make up your own one. I'm using AP for purple. You can use AP, or you can use, I don't know, anything you want. So a purple area of the purple part will be pi r squared. That will give me the whole circle. Now, because I know that this is a quarter of a circle, I can divide it by 4. So the area of the purple part is pi r squared over 4. Okay, so this area here is pi r squared over 4. So if someone says, oh, the radius is 4 centimeters, then put the 4 into the r, and then work it out. Blah 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 blah. All this thing here must be the area of this purple part. Okay. This one here. Somehow come up with a formula for the area of this whole thing. So area of the purple part here, this whole thing. Yeah, so you just got to use your imagination here. I will give you a clue. I'm going to just put a dot in here. Dot in here. That's all I'm saying. Okay. So press pause and have a go. Okay. To work out the area of this thing here, I would split this up into 2 parts. We've got one part here and we've got one part here. The rectangle, well, the area of the rectangle, you just get the height times by the length here. So it would be, so this area of the rectangle would be AB. Okay, so the area of the rectangle is AB. Now, the quarter of a circle here, because in effect, if you look at this, it's actually a quarter of a circle. Okay, it's a quarter of a circle. So, well, in order for us to work out anything, we need the radius of the circle, really, in order for us to work out the area of that circle. So this distance here is A, because if you look at this here, well, if this height here is A, then this must also be A. Well, this is part of a circle, so this is the radius of a circle. If this is the radius of the circle, then this must also be the radius of a circle. Or you can use this if you want, this radius here. Well, anyway, the radius of a circle here is A. So let's just concentrate on this part here. This part here would be the area of the circle is the whole area of the circle is pi a squared. Okay, because the formula is A equals pi r squared, but because we know the radius is A, so we are putting the A into the r. Okay, so it becomes this. Now we've got the area of the whole circle. So let's say we're going to have to make something up here. A quarter of a circle. So let's just use A over 4 here equals pi a squared here, small a, over 4. So what I'm doing here is work out the whole circle here and then divide it into 4 equal parts and just take one part. So the whole circle here is given by this part here. So pi a squared is the area of the whole circle, and then I'm going to divide it by 4. So that will give me this part here, which is the part that I'm interested in. So the area of this part here is given by this whole thing here. Okay, so the area here is pi a squared over 4. Okay, so now A of P, area of purple, that includes 2 parts now, this and this. So this is the area of the total purple parts. So this would be the area of the rectangle, which is AB, plus the the area of this quarter, if you like, this quarter of the circle here, it would be pi a squared over 4. Okay, so you could leave it as this. So basically, this here is the rectangle. This here is the quarter of a circle. We're just adding up the two. Now, you could leave it as this, but let's tidy it up. So at the moment, you've got one bit and adding another bit. So let's merge the two together. And remember, the trick that we use is to rewrite this as a fraction. So it's this pi a squared over 4. So this bit is, well, we're not doing anything. But then this, we are cheating slightly. We are rewriting this as a fraction. But remember, a bubble divided by 1 is still a bubble. So here, now let's in order for us to, at the moment we've got two fractions, one here and one here in effect. So now we can add the two fractions. But in order for us to add the two fractions, the two denominators have to be the same. So let's times top and bottom by 4. Times the top by 4, times the bottom by 4. So this will be 4ab over 4. And this side, well, let's just keep it as it is, because it's, the denominator is already 4. Now you can see the two denominators are the same. So you can merge the two fractions. In order for you to add two fractions together, you need the two denominators to be the same. So let's just add the two together now. So it becomes this 4ab plus pi a squared. So this is the area of the purple part. This whole thing here. So now you've got a formula for the area of this shape here, which was this a rectangle and a quarter of a circle in effect. Okay, so you've got a formula for a weird shape. You can come up with your own formulas for different shapes. Okay.